Well, peeps, jeepers, fellow off-roaders, we're here with the Spree brake light ring. I gotta say, I like this thing. It's pretty nice. It's durable. Yeah, we're gonna show you how to put it on. This one goes on a 2009 JKU. So, yeah, it's actually really nice. It's heavy duty plastic. Hasn't seemed to fall apart. I've been running it for a while now. What's nice about it is it comes with plugs. It comes with the plugs, so it's just an easy plug and play type item. So what's really nice is, so in the middle it's got this. So you can unplug the Jeep plug, and the way they've designed this right here, this would work with just about any vehicle with a spare tire rack on the back. All you'd have to do is pop this off, pop their plug off for the Jeep, just unplug it, and then hardwire it into any other vehicle. But we're going into a Jeep, so we will just use all their factory stuff. So, and this is an aftermarket application because I don't have the rear door hanger like most Jeeps have from the factory. I have the tire swing rack, so this will be an aftermarket application for this. So you just start. You're gonna start by taking the tire off. I don't need to take mine all the way off because I have these bars right here that my tires sit on, so I just have to pull mine out of the way. But I'm gonna lean the tire forward. I'm gonna slip this. Right here. I like the position for that. That's where I'm gonna put it. The thing about mine is where I don't have the factory mount to center it, I'm gonna have to bolt mine to the tire with an extra bolt just for centering purposes. So tire on there. The tire screwed back on here. But yeah, so this center ring of the ring, I'm going to use it, center it to the center ring of the tire itself, and then I'm going to put another bolt through this lug hole and here to hold it center. Actually, I'm going to go up there with it. An extension. That's center. So yes, this will work in an aftermarket application on your Jeep. You don't have to use the factory spare tire rack on your Jeep to make this work with your Jeep. And there's plenty of cord. I'll show you that here in just a second. sure it's where you want it, center tire. I'm going to get and I make plenty of cord to come inside here. Now I don't have the factory third light on there, but this does have the end, so you can just unplug that and you can plug both of them in so they will both still work. But I don't have that, so I am just going to plug this one in right like so, and it's plenty long enough. The cord is plenty long enough. I'm going to zip tie this up out of the way so I don't have an issue, and I personally am going to tape this off here to kind of waterproof it a little bit. So yeah, this is a quick, easy install. Great product, and I like it. It looks good. It's really not that expensive, and it's really easy to put on yourself, guys. So guys, gals, jeepers of all ages, Super E products so far. I like them. That's probably the only lighting products that I'm going to go with, in my opinion. But yeah, have a good day. Remember, best adventures are found off the pavement. Have a good one.